Hello, we are students from Vicenta Ferrer Escrivá High School and we are in the ESO3 environment class. I am Raquel Marc.
And I am Sofia Soler.
I am Cristina Barrera and we talk about the plastics.
A lot of things that we use in our daily life are made of plastic, but there are different types of plastic. One is the PET. We use it to make water bottles and also brushes. It's important to say that we have to recycle this material because it takes 100 to 1,000 years to break down.
Then we have the PEAD. This plastic is more rigid than the PET. We are it to make detergent and cosmetic bottles.
Another one is the PVC. This is more rigid than the PAD one we use to make pipes.
And we have too the PEPD. This is very resistant and light, like our normal supermarket bag. It's important to say that we have to recycle this material because it takes 150 years to break down.
We have the PP2. We use it to make industrial material like pipes and chips. And finally, I got the PEs and we use it to make styrofoam.
It's important to say that all types of plastic can be recycled. And we should use the 3R: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Bye-bye and follow our advices.